day.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screens. But let's start with the S&P 500 futures chart. We're currently trading at new yearly lows. In fact, last time we traded this low takes us all the way back to the 25th of November 2020. So we've just wiped out 2 years of gains in the stock market with the recent declines over the past 9 months. And it's very clear to me that at this moment in time, since those August 16th swing highs that was, we are now currently in the process of forming a Elliott wave cycle. So this is a five-step cycle, and last week it's now been confirmed, because we've taken out the yearly lows, that we were forming that fourth cycle, and over the past couple of days we're now trying to form the fifth cycle. And of course this is the final cycle here, and typically what happens once you form that fifth wave, or once you finalize that fifth wave, is that you then get something called an ABC correction, which will take you a little bit higher. So you have that fifth wave correction phase, and then you have that ABC correction where you basically reverse some of the work that you've done in the previous weeks and months. So that's what I'm looking for here. Now there's good news and bad news. The bad news is that I don't know how low this fifth wave could potentially go. It could take us down to 3,500. This could be it here. This could be it here, down at around 3,575. I do not know, and unfortunately, I know that many of you think that I do, but unfortunately I do not have a crystal ball, so your guess is as good as mine. But what I do have is data. I do have historical data, and I am very bullish here. I really do believe we are now gearing up for a very strong year to the end of 2022, and I do believe we are on the cusp of a new bear market rally, which could take us anywhere between 15 to 25% higher from current levels. Now, we have just entered Q4. Today is the very first trading session of Q4, and historically speaking, Q4 of the second year of any presidential cycle is the most bullish for the stock market. So that's very good news. Of course, this year is also a midterm election year, so that again is very good news, because the stock market in general tends to perform very well during a midterm election year, especially in Q4. So I am looking for this fifth wave to finish rather quickly. I've been saying this for some time over on my YouTube channel, but I do expect a tradable bottom to occur in the first week of October. So that takes us up to the 7th of October, which of course is the end of this week. So that's what I'm looking for, a tradable bottom. I'm looking for that capitulation, and there's lots of signs out there that we are starting to see signs of it. Let's just take you over to my free analysis group. This morning I posted a few graphs which I think you will find very interesting. This is where we're currently trading right now. This is your average midterm election year. As you can see, we always finish the year very strongly indeed. And then if I take you to this other chart, this is the NASDAQ 100, and it shows you the percentage of stocks that are trading below their 200-day moving average. And at this moment in time, we only have 10% of the 100 stocks in the NASDAQ 100 trading above their 200-day moving average. So that's only 90 stocks now trading below their 200-day moving average. So it just shows how broad this bear market has been. So just to summarize the video, I'm looking for the S&P 500 to have some sort of capitulation phase this week, a real sign that we have put in a tradable bottom, and then for us to begin this ABC correction phase, which will take us probably well above the 50-day EMA, which currently sits just shy of 4,000 here on the S&P 500. So if we just look at that from a percentage perspective, that's a 10% rally. But again, I believe that we're going to see a nice 15 to 25% pop here. I don't think that we will take out the August 16th highs, but the good news is that that's a lot higher. That's up at around 4,300. But I think 4,000 is a very good target going into this next bear market rally. So looking for signs of strength in the coming weeks. I think October is going to be a great month for the stock market.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.